How to trade big government contract announcements. Government contracts can move stocks, but the impact depends on who's getting the deal. But for smaller cap companies, it's a different story. A large government contract can significantly increase future revenue, and the stock price often reacts fast. That's where this scenario becomes valuable. Filtering for smaller market cap companies reveals where contract awards can trigger outsized moves. Here's a real example. On March 5th, 2025, Visionary Holdings jumped 186% in a single day after being awarded a government contract. This wasn't just a press release, it triggered a full-on breakout. For a company of GV's size, the contract signaled a major shift in growth potential, and the market responded immediately. But not all contracts are the same. Some are labeled IDIQ, or indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity. That means the government can spend up to the amount listed, but isn't required to. So before taking a position, it's important to check whether the contract value is guaranteed. Contract size and duration also matter. A $10 billion deal sounds huge, but spread over 10 years, it only adds $1 billion per year. If the company currently generates $1 billion in annual revenue, that still doubles the business. But the impact on share price may unfold gradually as investors process the news. How to trade it. Short-term traders might jump in on the initial breakout and ride momentum for 1 to 3 days. Swing traders can wait for a pullback, then enter as longer-term investors step in. Long-term investors might use the scenario to identify companies stacking multiple contracts over time, pointing to steady, scalable growth. Companies like Fluor have doubled in value over 2 years through back-to-back government wins, evidence that repeated success in this space can drive sustained returns. How to set alerts for billion-dollar contract events. First, from the Scenarios page, click on Dashboard at the top. Next, on the left side of the screen, you'll see the Filters tab. This is where you'll set your event and market preferences. If you want to focus on a specific sector, you can do so here. But in this case, we're looking for billion-dollar contract announcements across all sectors. Next, click on the Scenario dropdown and select billion-dollar contracts. Scroll down to Market Cap and select Micro, Small, and Medium. These companies typically experience the largest moves when big contracts are announced. To access more detailed filters, click plus More Filters at the bottom of the filter panel. From here, you can further customize using filters like price, EPS, or earnings per share, EPS growth, volatility, volume, and many more. Once your filters are set, click Create Alert. You can label your alert billion-dollar contracts, small to medium cap, then click Save. You can now view and manage this alert in the My Alerts tab. To activate it, simply check the box next to your saved alert to apply all your selected filters, and confirm contract values to find the most impactful setups. Whether you're trading the first spike or evaluating a long-term growth story, the government contract scenario helps you spot opportunity early, based on real revenue, not just headlines. Follow and subscribe for more. Level Field's Elite Investing, Effortless AI.